Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the spell checker language on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device, in today's tutorial I have it covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down on this list and you want to select the system tile. And then on the screen, you want to select the keyboard button. And then underneath tools, you want to select where it says spell checker. And then select the languages tile, use system languages. And then select your language from the list you want to switch it to. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.